Start our new chapter of civics portion, that is judiciary, fourth chapter. Okay, judiciary. India has a federal system of judiciary. First of all, the word judiciary means the court system which the India will follow out, that is judiciary. So India has a federal system of governments. Federal system means we are following two types of system. First one is unitary, second one is federal. In federal, both central and state government will work out. Federal system में दोनों work करते हैं, but in unitary only single system. So in federal system we are follow the rules of regulation of both the central and the state government. So the judiciary administers justice, interprets law, protects natural rights of the citizens, and looks into the union and the state laws through a hierarchy of the court. Okay, hierarchy of the court system means hierarchy means series of the court system which we already deal in the previous chapters, that is hierarchy. Hierarchy means first one for highest court is Supreme Court, below that High Court, below that subordinate court is there. So in the hierarchy system, the Supreme Court is top in the hierarchy, followed by the High Court, then there will be a subordinate court which will follow the High Court. So this is the judiciary system, judiciary hierarchy we are following in India. What was the importance of judiciary? First of all, think if there will be no court, how much crimes will be contained in done in India, है ना? कितने crimes करोगे आप? एक मिनट के लिए भी सोच लो कि crime के लिए कोई punishment नहीं है, so you will do anything, है ना? सबसे पहले तो बैंक जाकर लूटेंगे कि पैसे बहुत सारे आ जाएं, so you do anything to protect, क्योंकि आपको पता है कोई punishment नहीं है, so there will be a very much importance of the judiciary. So the judiciary has, first importance of the judiciary is judiciary has to settle disputes whenever there is a conflict between the parties. Judiciary सबसे पहला support करता है conflict को solve करने के लिए, and the state government, two states between the state governments and the union government. If there will be a conflict between the state government and the union government, then judiciary will be solve that conflict. Disputes of state and central also. Second, judiciary upholds and enforces the fundamental rights of the citizens, and your fundamental rights will also be protected by the judiciary, like right to speech, we have read in the previous chapter, right to move here and there, that is your fundamental right, that will be protected by the judiciary only. Lastly, the citizen can move to the court if their fundamental right will be abolished, so judiciary will play a very important role. Third, the Supreme Court is the final interpreter of our Constitution. Supreme Court सबसे final interpreter है आपकी Constitution का, and it also third important role of the judiciary, that Supreme Court is the final interpreter of our Constitution. It also empowered to declare law null and void if it goes against the principle and ideals of our Constitution. Next topic of the judiciary, next importance of the judiciary is that Supreme Court is the final interpreter. अगर वो चाहे तो किसी भी लॉ सिस्टम को नल और वॉइड डिक्लेयर कर सकता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. सो दिस देयर विल बी अ थ्री इंपॉर्टेंस गिवन इन योर बुक. देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द जुडिशरी. जुडिशरी प्ले एन वेरी वाइटल रोल इन द इंडिया. Okay, next the needs for an independent judiciary. Why you need that in judiciary will independently body will be created in judiciary. So the former of the constitution, that B.R. Ambedkar is there, have kept judiciary independent from legislature and executive. We know that three bodies are there: executive, legislature and judiciary. But our constitution has given independent power. एक separate power दिया गया judiciary को. Why? To check and misuse of the power of both the organs of the government. Three organs are there of the government. So उनको check करने के लिए judiciary को एक independent power दिया है. Secondly, impartiality justice is possible. क्या legislature जो law बना रहा है वो गलत है? क्या वो जो पास कर रहा है executive वो wrong है? तो that will be checked out by the judiciary. So there will be a great needs of the judiciary. Nextly, in this chapter we will read the different topics, different hierarchy, that is so of Supreme Court, about the High Court, about the subordinate court, different topic we will deal in the different video. Okay.